This is for you, Moshe.
Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu.
Yeah.
Dear Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi.
Wow.
Namaste to the Pradhan Mantri Hindustan, Abka Swagat, Hamare Desh. Welcome to Israel, our holy land, to holy city of Jerusalem. My name is Moshe Holtzberg, the son of Rabbi Gabi and Rivki Holtzberg. I am 11. They are sent by Lubavitch Radio. I am 11 years old. I was saved by my very special Nanny Sandra. May God bless her. I am an happy child. Thank God. And I love to play. I try to be a good student. I grew up there in Mumbai. This is my house. I hope I will be able to visit Mumbai. And when I get older, I live there. I will be the director of our Chabad house. With God's help, this is my house, a house of goodness. Dear Mr. Modi, I love you, and your people in India.
תודה רבה, and Moshe, Mr. Modi, Prime Minister Modi invited me to come to India. You will come with me to Mumbai.